The measure bar is a thin horizontal bar above the score and below the main menu. Its main job is to display measure numbers, but it can also be used to change measure widths, reset measures back to their default spacing, and select an entire stack of measures. The measure bar is only visible in scroll view. In the two other views, page view and presentation view, measure numbers are displayed down the left side. There are 3 ways to change music spacing. To increase space at the end of a measure, drag the right barline of the measure left or right. To change the way music is spaced throughout, change the spacing algorithm in the Actions menu, Advanced Settings, Music Spacing. And finally, using the measure bar, drag the vertical line between measure numbers left or right. This will expand the spacing of all notes proportionally, of just that measure. To reset a measure to its default spacing, tap and hold anywhere in between 2 vertical bar lines on the measure bar. Alternatively, you can select Reset All Measure Widths from the Actions menu. Lastly, you can select an entire stack of measures, by either tapping once on the measure bar, which selects each measure's contents, or by double tapping, which selects each whole measure.